everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Japanese beef curry. This beef curry is a little different than regular, usual Japanese curry. I only use onion and beef. We use this recipe for beef tendon, which is very hard part of the meat, but the way cooking for this curry, that makes very tender, almost melt in your mouth. So this gonna be very tender, almost like beef stew instead of curry, but it's curry, so eat with rice. So this is what I use today for my beef curry. And I already pre-cut it, and the size is like this. When I cook it, probably it's gonna be smaller. So the first time when you cook this, there are lots of bubbles and scams comes out from meat. So when I cook it for a while, then I dump those water, I throw them out. The water is boiled and cooked the meat about a minute. Now I'm gonna dump those water and I'm gonna wash those meat. Then the next water, it was just not gonna be the regular water. I am going to use rice water. The rice water that I'm gonna use is when you cook rice, you wash rice, and at that time you toss or dump those white rice water that came from the starch from the rice. You're not gonna throw them out and keep that one, and I am going to use that water to cook this meat. It is 2 hours past, so I am moving the meat and dump all those cooked water. And this one, I am going to use with onion and about 2 tablespoons of oil. I am going to cook this one till pretty much brown. Now I put those meat back. And now put red wine. And red wine is usually make meat tender. So if you are going to make stew for the beef, it's a good idea to put red wine in it. Red wine is gone. So now I put those onions. Now I put water. Almost cover the meat and bring it to boil. If you have beef stock, put it in now. And if you have it, put laurier. You add water little by little. I use this one. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. And this is the rice. So this is how to make beef tendon Japanese curry. It is a little bit different than the other video that I already created, chicken curry. The regular chicken curry, you can substitute chicken to beef, then you can make beef curry. But this one is a little bit more special because it's tendon part of the beef, and it's usually hard, but make it tender so that makes cooking long time. And you may think that's too long to cook it, but it's worth it because it's very tender and very tasty. I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you like my video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.